Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today, we're going to talk about the AI text creator so you can create professional content in just seconds. No more writer's block. To start, click on any text box on your canvas. Then, click Generate Text with AI. Tell it what your business is and what the text is about, like a welcome text. The more details you give it, the better the results will be and the closer it will be to your own idea. Once you're done, click Create Text. And you'll be given three options to choose from. If you find something that you like, click on Use Text and it'll update automatically on your page. Super easy and super fast. That's all for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. Check out our channel for more Wix tutorials and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.